Now we are on chapter number 8, which is back to attack. Enough refactoring back to the zombie attack as well. There it is. We are going to continue defining our attack function now that we have the owner of modifier to use. Now let's put it to the test. Add the owner of modifier to attack to make sure the caller owns zombie ID. Okay, here it is. The first thing our function should do is to get a storage pointer to both zombies so we can more easily interact with them. Declare a zombie storage named my zombie. Okay, and set it equal to zombie ID. Declare a zombie storage name enemy zombie. Now declare another variable and set it to zombies target ID. We are going to use a random number between 0 and 99 to determine the outcome of our battle. So declare a uint named random and set it equal to the result of the random mode function with 100 as an argument. Now let's take a variable, create a variable, arrange random, call this function and pass 100 to it. So that is for the test. Now let's check the answer. It's not correct. Let's see what is the error. Okay, we are missing a storage E. Now let's try again. Yes, it's correct. So we have completed chapter number 8 also. Now let's move on to chapter number 9.